Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to connect your Sony headphones to a Windows computer. First, make sure your Sony headphones are fully charged and ready to go. Then, put them into pairing mode. This usually involves holding down the power button for about 7 seconds until you see a flashing blue light or hear a voice prompt. This signal confirms your headphones are discoverable and ready to connect. Next, let's prepare your Windows computer. Open the Start menu and click on Settings. Once the Settings window appears, look for Bluetooth and Devices on the left-hand side and select it. It's crucial to ensure that the Bluetooth toggle switch is in the on position. If it's off, simply click it to activate Bluetooth on your computer, making it ready to find your headphones. Now it's time to pair your devices. In the Bluetooth and Devices window, click on Add Device at the top. A small pop-up will appear, giving you a few options. Select Bluetooth. Your computer will then begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. You should see your Sony headphones appear in the list. Click on your headphone's name to begin the pairing process, usually taking just a few moments. Once the pairing is complete, your computer will display a confirmation message, letting you know that your Sony headphones are successfully connected. Your headphones will also usually give an indication, such as a solid blue light or an audible voice prompt, confirming the connection. If you encounter any issues, simply restart both your headphones and your computer, then repeat these easy steps from the beginning. Enjoy your audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.